Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Amanda Abillano. I am your East Bay real estate expert and basically Northern California, Sacramento, you name it. And if you are new here, we're doing a video series on how to buy a home in California. This applies to all of California. And we are on the last and final step, video 14, which is closing day, getting your keys, and what to do when you move in. Let's chat about what happens on closing day in California. So first, let's clear up a big misconception in California. Closing day is not always the same day as you get your keys. Here is exactly what happens. So signing, you'll sign your final documents either in person with a notary or via mobile notary at your home or office or wherever you would like. Signing usually happens 1 to 2 days before recording, sometimes the same day depending on escrow. Signing does not mean you own the home quite yet. Funding. After signing, your lender's gonna wire loans to fund to escrow and then you're gonna wire your remaining cash to close. Escrow confirms all funds are received. Then recording, this is the most important part. Ownership transfers when the deed records with the county. Recording usually happens midday to late afternoon, and it's always on a business day. Once recording is confirmed, the home is legally yours. Keys are released unless there is a rent back when you get the keys. In most California transactions, keys are released after recording, not at signing. Your agent will confirm recording, coordinate key pickup or lockbox access. If the seller has a rent back agreement, keys are released after that period ends. What to do or bring on key day. So this is exciting, but don't rush unprepared. Bring or prepare your photo ID, your agent's contact info, lock changing plan, cleaning supplies, and even a locksmith contact. So first things I recommend is changing those locks, reset garage codes, secure doors and windows, locate shut-off valves, which is your water and gas. These are your first homeowner safety tips. So next is setting up your utilities and services. You're gonna wanna set these up immediately. Utilities involve electricity, gas, water, trash, and sewer. Some utilities need advanced scheduling, deposits, account transfers. Don't wait, especially in California cities with municipal services. Internet and cable, schedule that early. Appointments can book weeks out. Important mail and paperwork after closing. Once you close, you'll receive a lot of mail. Some of it matters, some of it doesn't, but important are your property tax information, your supplemental tax bill, mortgage statements, homeowner's insurance policy, HOA information if applicable, but be careful with mortgage protection offers, deed recording scams, warranty mailers that look official. If you're unsure, ask your agent or your lender. Now here's the big one. In California, property taxes and supplemental taxes, this is a reminder. Let's revisit this quickly because it's important. So regular property taxes is paid twice per year, usually impounded into your mortgage escrow account. Supplemental taxes, this is a one-time bill and it's based on reassessment. It comes separately, often arrives months after closing. So set money aside for this. This catches many first-time buyers off guard. Another one is Homestead Exemption. This is in California. This is something many buyers miss. The California Homestead Exemption can protect a portion of your home's equity. It reduces exposure to certain legal situations. It does not reduce property taxes, but it's still important. Check your county's website or ask your agent how to file. Home maintenance and ownership tips. You're officially the homeowner now, so here's how to protect your investment. So monthly, you're gonna wanna make sure you change your HVAC filters, check for leaks, and even clean your drains. Annually, you're gonna wanna make sure to service your HVAC system, inspect your roof, flush your water heater out, and check smoke and CO detectors. Budget tip, plan for 1% of the home's value per year in maintenance. Homes are assets and assets need care. Building your new home life, this is the fun part. This is where you get to personalize your space, meet your neighbors, learn your area, track your home's value, and keep records of repairs and upgrades. I highly suggest you put them in a little folder, somewhere that you can go back and reflect on what you have done. You didn't just buy a house, you built foundation. So I want to leave you with this. Buying a home in California is not easy, and if you made it here, you should be so proud. You've navigated finances, complications, paperwork, inspections, appraisals, closing, and this is a big accomplishment. And if you've made it here and we've made it here together, congratulations. And thank you guys for hanging out with me and sitting down with our course about how to buy a house in California. And congratulations if you have done so. And if you are starting that journey, good luck.